You feel stretch on that right side?
Yeah.
Tender?
Yeah.
Yeah. So press straight down, stretch that back side of your hip. Two.